good morning. We're going to quickly look at the COT data, and this won't be a 5-minute video, if that, because we just need to look at the crossovers. That's what we're interested in when we're looking at these COT charts. So the Euro FX was sold against the US dollar back here 3 months ago. So that would have given us a big heads up on this move on the Euro USD. We broke parity. The retail guys went really long, and we breached it, and we're continuing to fall. We're actually breaking new lows of minus 47,000 contracts. So they are really shorting the euro, and it makes sense fundamentally speaking as well, because we've got the Nord Stream issue from Russia. So Euro FX, there's that. Euro US dollar is sideways, but it is positive, and you can see it's quite strong. The euro, on the other hand, is weak. Let's look at the yen, and this won't be a long video. Yen was sold with the euro, so there's no euro yen signal there because they're falling in tandem. So that's that. We'll take euro off. Look at Aussie. Well, we're negative, but less negative than the week prior, so there isn't much to be said there. We might get an AJ buy if these two cross, potentially. There's the AJ sell. Here's the AJ buy, potentially, but they're both negative, do note. The Aussie and the yen are negative, so that's that. Let's look at the pound. We've got a big day today because we've got a new Prime Minister, so I'm going to be glued to the telly because it's obviously of interest to me, and from the UK and all that. So it's going to move the pound, I think, and we've got US holiday as well. Pound, well, not much to be said really. Minus 29,000, minus 28,000. So they sold it by about 300 contracts. So it was negative already, and they sold it from the week prior. No signal at all from the pound USD, and the pound yen could have been a buy there potentially, but we've got fundamental headwinds with the pound. We've got political uncertainty, and I don't know who's going to be the Prime Minister. Actually, it's going to be quite interesting. CAD strong. We might get a dollar CAD short potentially. I said a couple of weeks ago we might get a dollar CAD short if these two cross, but they're yet to cross, and there's obviously no signal from CAD or yen apart from back here when it was CAD yen was a buy, because they dumped the yen and obviously they bought the CAD up. We went. There's that divergence between the two there. There's a couple of weeks of chop, and done CAD. So let's look at gold quickly. Gold, I think, yeah. Okay, so we're 117,000 and 142. So yeah, it's quite a substantial decrease. I thought this was going to be a fake bounce. You know, dead cat bounce here, and it might be proven true. And we've broken the support, this range. You see, we probably had a test on that range actually. You can see that the horizontal support here. Down we came. So I think this is probably going to continue to fall. If we do breach zero, that's going to be the first time in years and years and years that's happened. So be wary of gold right now, and they have sold it, but I'd probably prefer for that to break and take gold off, and then we'll look at Kiwi, and we know the bubble position on this, and no, not the Mexican peso, Kiwi. Well, they sold it, and we're back negative, minus 3,000, and we come from positive 1,700. So quite a fair decrease there, 4,000 contracts decrease, and that would match with the bubble position because it's a strong sell currently, the Kiwi. And so that's that. And then we'll look at the Swiss franc, and then we'll finish up. So it doesn't have to be a long one. And yes, it's positive. Oh no, we're not quite positive, we're close. We're very close. Minus 2,000, minus 2,200. So yeah, maybe if they continue this way, we might breach the zero line, and then it'll be bullish from a COT perspective. And that would match the fundamentals, because we know from our risk calculation, we're risk off. And so we should see this, the Swiss act as a safe haven, because we are now risk off on our risk calc. So this should probably come up higher, fundamentally speaking. So I'm going to wrap up now, won't waffle anymore. Have a great day. Don't forget we've got holiday in the US, and it's going to be fully busy tomorrow from a calendar perspective, and the US traders will be back at their desks as well. So I wish you a good day, and I'll speak to you soon.